Can I keep you in mind? Can I?
YouTube, it's your girl Ep, and welcome back to my channel yet again. So before we get started, if you are not subscribed to my channel, I don't know why, what are you doing? Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can become part of the family. You can become part of the Pretty Posse, and hit the notification bell too so you never miss an upload. What else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like so I want to share with you guys my February favorites. Like, I have quite a few products, a mixture, I'm looking at the stuff, of makeup items, a few hair products, and some other random items that I enjoyed last month, and I want to share them with you guys. So if you want to see what I was loving in the month of February, then stay tuned. Alright, so in no particular order, like, I'm just gonna grab the first thing that's near me. So let's start with the first thing that I have been enjoying, not only last month, but for the past few months, is the Milani Make It Last setting spray. And this is a 16-hour wear setting spray. And as you can see, like, I barely got anything left in the damn bottle. But this has been one of my favorite setting sprays, and I love it. I also love the way it smells. And I bought mine at Walmart, I believe. I think it was like, I can't remember the exact price, between $7 and $10 or something like that. So I definitely have been loving on that spray. Another spray actually that I've been loving are these Pearl Essence facial waters that I've shown you guys in a haul, and I have them in rose water, cucumber water, and coconut water. And I love these. Like, I've been using the rose water because that's my least favorite, and I want to get rid of the bottle first. But the cucumber is my favorite. I bought these at Marshalls. You can also find them at TJ Maxx, and they were $6.99 a bottle. And you get 8 fluid ounces, and it's a glass bottle, and these smell amazing, just to like refresh your face, keep your face moisturized, and just looking, you know, refreshed, woke up. So it's another one of my favorites from February. Next, let's talk about a primer. This L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base that I showed you guys plenty of times in videos is one of my favorite primers. And as you can see, I am digging in it at the bottom. I bought this also at Walmart, and it cost me $11.99. And it's good to, like, if you have big pores, you can blur them. This blurs your pores. It makes them look really smooth, really blurred in. And I have huge pores on my face. Don't worry about that. On my face. And I love this to fill in those pores. So my makeup just looks nice and flawless. And, you know, you don't see all the big craters that I got going on. So next, staying on the skin. These two right here are my favorites, and this is the combo that I use daily, even if I'm not wearing makeup. But when I wake up in the morning and before bed, this is what I use on my face to hydrate and moisturize my face. And it is my L'Oreal Hydra Genius, and this is a daily moisturizer, and it's a hydrant, and it basically tells you to use it every morning and every night. And I can't remember how much I paid for when it came out, but I know the price has went down a little bit. But yeah, this is for normal to dry skin, and I have dry skin. And I think they have a new one now for extreme dry skin. And this is the Pearl Essence Argan and Vitamin E Balancing Oil Facial Drops. And this is just what it looks like. And I also bought this from Marshalls. It was $5.99. And these Argan and Vitamin E oils are amazing. I had a lot more dark spots on my face, and I just use this every day, and it's been helping to clear up my dark marks. So I think that's a win. So these two right here are my holy grail. And next, let's talk about my favorite foundation from February. I showed y'all this months ago, and I've been using this for a while. But last month, I've been really like just grabbing this. And this is the e.l.f. I don't even know the name of the foundation, but this is the e.l.f. foundation. It has SPF 15, and this has been like one of my go-to foundations. I paid $6 for it at Target, and it's in the color Cocoa. Y'all can't see that. That's a waste of my time showing that to y'all. It does have a pump. It is disgusting, as you can see. But this foundation is bomb. It makes my face nice and matte. The color is slightly dark for me, but once I highlight, it's good. So I guess that's a right. So that has been my favorite foundation last month. This e.l.f. Hydrating Melt Cleanser, the Gel Melt Cleanser, has what I've been using. I'm slow. Is what I've been using to take my makeup off after I've been wearing it. And this is just what it looks like. It's just like a gel. It kind of reminds me of like a petroleum jelly, but a little wetter. Not so, I mean, it's greasy, but I can't describe it, whatever. But this is what I've been using to remove my makeup. And now Dollar Tree is selling these for $1. I still can't find them in none of my Dollar Trees, but I'm on a hunt. But these are bomb. If you can get your hands on these for $1, buy as many as you can, because to remove all of your makeup, this is a winner. These two powders to finish off my face have been everything. This is the Black Radiance Soft Focus Powder in Milk Chocolates. So I use this along with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, and I love this powder. Alyssa Ashley got me hooked. So this powder is bomb. It kind of reminds me of MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. I think I want to get a color 1 shade darker. But for now, this is good when I mix the two together. Next, staying on the face. You already know my favorite blush. I'm not going to talk about it for too long. But this is Lorax Infrared. This blush is everything to my life. I talk about this blush so much you would think they paying me to, but they do not. They don't even send me nothing. But I can't hate. The blush is everything. Like, I've been using this for years, and it's everything. I love this blush. And you would think this is the only blush I own, and I don't, but this is just my favorite. Next is a ColourPop highlighter that Kimmy has sent me in a box, and this is in the color Candyman. And this is one of their Super Shock Cheek highlighters. Y'all remember these? And this thing is so buttery, like, ooh, my elbow itching. Look at the pigmentation on that. Y'all see that gold? And look at the swatches. With one swipe, I was able to get all of those swatches, like 3 swatches, 4, and you count the last one. That color is a bomb. So this has definitely been my favorite highlighter. This is the highlighter that I grabbed. This is my go-to highlighter on a regular basis when I do decide to wear makeup. Next, for the face, I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm gonna grab all 3 of these at the same time. There are 3 concealers that I gravitate to on the regular, and it is, of course, LA Pro Girl Fawn. It's forever be a favorite, and I don't need to tell y'all about this. Everybody knows about that. Next is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This mixed with that, when I decide to use that for under eye correcting, is everything. This concealer is so good, and it has no flashback. If you haven't tried it, go pick it up. And this is the AOA Studio Wonder Coverage Concealer, also in the color Fawn, that Kimmy sent me. And I love this concealer too, but the only thing about it is you have to work fast. Like, you cannot put it under your eyes and let it sit there and think that you're going to come back and be able to move it. It's like cement. It's not going nowhere. So, but for $1, you can't beat it. So, that's pretty good. But these are my 3 go-to concealers. Next, my 2 favorite brushes. I use these brushes in almost every tutorial, and they're my Sigma E40 and the E45 tapered blending brush, and the small tapered blending brush. This is the tapered, no, this is the small tapered, and this is the tapered blending brush. And I can't remember how much I paid for these. I bought these brushes eons ago, but these are my 2 favorite brushes for every makeup look. Like, I use these in every eyeshadow tutorial. Sponges. This is now my newfound love. This is the AOA Studio from Shop Miss A Wonder Sponge. This is the sponge that they did with the Paw Paw collection, and this one is $1.55. This thing is softer than my beauty blender. I kid you not. And I own a real beauty blender. I own 2 of them. Shop Miss A does have another sponge. I can pull it out. This one right here. But this one is not as soft as this one. This one is a little stiffer. But this one right here is everything. And like I said, for $1.55, you cannot beat that. So go and check that sponge out on Shop Miss A if you are on a hunt for a good beauty blender, but do not want to spend $20 on an original beauty blender. Don't make that mistake. I have 2 of them and I barely use them because there's so many better alternatives nowadays. For my brows, and I showed y'all these in a brow tutorial. This is the one and only brow pencil. It's an auto eye and lip liner, but I use it for brows. And I think Kimmy said she bought this from her beauty supply store. This paired with this brow gel, that's how I get my brows. I did not clean them up today, so they look janky, but this Framulous Lash and Brow Gel by Clean Color lays my brows down so good. So the 2 of these paired will give you a bomb eye for $2, like a bomb eyebrow. Give it a try. So next, I'm breaking shit. I don't have a favorite lipstick, but I don't wear lipstick every day. Sometimes I'll just grab a gloss. And one of my favorite glosses last month, and I had this for a long time, but I just like rediscovered it in my stash. And this is the L'Oreal Paris Color Rich Le Gloss. And this is in the color Short Shorts. It doesn't come out this blue. It comes out clear. But this gloss, not only does it smell good, but it is so moisturizing to your lips. And it's not that sticky gloss that gives you all that nasty white cake that y'all don't want to be seeing on nobody's mouth. So this gloss is good. And I think I bought it at Walgreens. I can't remember. It was so long ago, but I got it from Walgreens. 2 packs of wipes that I forever gravitate to now are these AOA Studio wipes that, once again, Kimmy sent me. So I love these. And these right here are the simple cleansing facial wipes, and this is for sensitive skin. And these are for like my real like detailed face work. So like I remove like simple stuff like on my face, like foundation, eyebrows and stuff like this. And I use these around my eyes and stuff because, like I said, my skin is sensitive. And these are my favorite wipes. I use these all the time. Always restock on them. So my favorite palette, my favorite go-to palette is, of course, none other than the Modern Renaissance. How could you not love this palette? You can get so many looks out of this palette. The colors are amazing. And this is a palette that you can literally use every single day. If you're going to work, if you're going to church, if you got to date bae, or if you hoe hopping. Like, you can just wear this palette anytime you want. Like, you can wear this everywhere. To a funeral, to a wedding, baby shower. You can literally use this palette for every occasion. Like, this is my favorite palette. I got one hair product, and I showed y'all this way back. And this is the Twisted Sisters Farewell to Frizz Deep Conditioning Mask. I use this on my hair once I'm like washing on wash days. And this stuff is amazing. It smells good. It makes your hair so soft after you use it for deep condition. And I think I only paid like $2 or $3.99 for this at some little random store by my house. So that wasn't bad. I wish I could have found more, but this stuff right here is amazing. I have 2 fragrances. First, this one right here is a body mist that I bought probably two or 3 summers ago when I did that big Victoria's Secret and Bath and Body haul. And y'all know I bought so much stuff that I can't even use that up. Probably in the next 5 years, I have so much stuff. But I started using this pink spray from Victoria's Secret, and it is pink sea salt and papaya. And this stuff smells so good. Like, I wish this shit had smell-o-vision and y'all could smell it. Like, it smells so good. Babe, don't this smell good? Mm-hmm. Shut up. So fake. It smells so good, but I love this. This has been one of my favorites. And the last scent, I bought this at Marshall's for $12.99. I don't even know the brands, but they have different fragrances. Oh, it's called True Fragrance and Beauty. I guess that's the name of the company. But this one is called Island Air. And this smells amazing. Like, you can spray this on your jacket and it will like literally linger there for like 2 weeks. Like, it will not go anywhere. This might be the best perfume I ever bought that wasn't like high end. And it smells like high end and it lasts. And it just smells like tropical, coconut, mango, papaya, pineapples. Like you're on an island. Like, this smells so good. If you ever go on Marshalls or TJ Maxx and you're looking for a good perfume, try this one. This one smells amazing. And lastly, I just have a candle I want to share with you guys because I'm obsessed with candles. This candle I bought at Dollar General for about $5 or $6, and it's called Beach Cruise, as you can see, because I know y'all can read. And this smells like a tropical island as well, like that's perfume, and it just smells so good. As you can see, I've been burning it. And this candle is 15 ounces. So you get a 15-ounce candle that smells good not only when you take the top off, but when you burn it, compared to a Bath and Body Works candle that's like $20 and you don't even get that many ounces. This candle smells amazing. If you're into candles, go check out Dollar General because they be having some bomb-ass candles. Like, I love this candle. So that is about it. I don't have nothing else to share with y'all for my monthly favorites. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. If you want to see me do more monthly favorites or videos with products that I hated for the month, let me know in the comments down below, and I can definitely get those videos out to you guys. And that's about it. So I'm gonna take my sick ass to bed, and I will see y'all in the next one. Later.